Hi, welcome to MarineMax, Cumming, Georgia. Today we're going to do a virtual tour, more in-depth look at the Sea Ray 310 SLX. As you can see from what you're looking at behind me, this is a large bow rider. Has room for all your family, your friends, your neighborhood if you want to go that way. The boat is yacht certified, so the safe capacity is its limit. This boat is extremely well equipped. Submersible swim platform, seats that can be used while at anchor or in a cove at rest at the dock. Then your forward seats, a lot of seating room inside, a very large head inside. Of course, it has all the requirements, a twin engine boat. It has the joystick control, digital throttle system, 2 SIMRAD displays. It has it all, the hard top, the retractable sunshade, the sunroof. It's an extremely well-equipped boat, ready to run, ready to enjoy. This 310 is equipped with a lot of accessories that make boating enjoyable, starting with a transom shower as you walk in, wet storage here, wet storage that I'm standing on, a wine cooler built in behind that seat, table that mounts here, table stored under the engine hatch for convenience and getting it out of the way. You've got a grill right here, place to put ice there or whatever you want to store. You've got a cockpit refrigeration here, so you can enjoy the day on the boat, cook on the boat, not have to go anywhere. You've got a large head coming forward. It's all self-contained. You have a swivel seat here. This seat pivots, so it joins the group if you want this to be sort of a pit group facing your audience or facing forward if that's your pleasure. You got pop-up bolsters on both these seats. Once again, the joystick control, digital throttle system, the 2 SIMRAD displays side by side that can be custom to whatever preferences the individual has. Tilt wheel, chrome footrest, snap-in sea deck. Going forward, you have an air dam door, and you also have your electrical panel behind this door. And as you come forward, you've got your bow area, your armrest, more underdeck storage here. You also have underdeck storage aft. Comfortable seating on both sides. Lots of storage under all these seats. This boat has it all. We're going to take this boat for a ride and get you an idea of how it handles, how it runs, how it controls, as if you were on the boat. So on the 310, we're going to go over a few items on this boat, how it operates and how it handles. First of all, this boat is powered by twin 6.2 300 horsepower, so a combined total of 600 horsepower. Gives this boat plenty of giddy up for those that want a good acceleration. The boat will exceed 40 miles an hour, and of course it has the digital controls and the joystick like some of the bigger boats. A brief overview of this. It's equipped with your joystick so you can spin the boat. You can walk it sideways. You can walk it back. You've got a sky hook, which is your GPS anchor. You've got your autopilot synced into your display. You've got your automatic waypoint finds. You can adjust the sensitivity of this. Once you put this boat in gear, the joystick goes off and you're back to your normal two handle control. If you wanted to go to a single control, you can hit the 1 lever button. This lever now no longer functions, and this lever drives both engines and keeps them in synchronization. Okay, so thank you for taking this short ride with us on this 310. It's a very nice boat, as you can see. Handles incredibly well. It's nimble. It's a lot of fun. It's ready for your enjoyment. Take a ride. Make it yours. Have fun on the water. Get away from it all. Have a nice day.